Alrighty, problem 4. This is Matchpoint Racket Company, and you see all this stuff and you think, oh God, this is going to be awful, and it really isn't. And what we've got to do is do a direct labor cost budget for March. Now, in order to do that, we've got to figure out what the total hours are. If you start at the bottom, what we're looking for, let's start at the real bottom up. Total dollars for labor. So then, in order to get that, we've got that direct labor rate, and we've got to multiply that by direct labor hours, right? That's all we've got to do. So let's take, that's all. So you've got to put this information on the side. You should have you've printed this off, right? So I'm going to put it over here so I can see it. And we're going to have 2 columns on the paper. We've got 2 different departments here. Let's read it. 2 types of tennis rackets, the junior and the pro striker, and this is what they're going to produce. They're going to produce 2,200 and 7,000 of the pro strikers, and they're produced in 2 departments, forming and assembly, and the direct labor hours for each racket are here. So for junior, 0.10, in forming, 0.2 in assembly, in pro striker, 0.15, 0.25. And here's our labor rates. Okay, so we can do this. This isn't bad. Let's put the, we've got forming and assembly, right? Okay, forming and assembly. In the junior racket, it uses, can you see that? It's really light, isn't it? The junior racket has 0.10 hours times 2,200 units. So that would be 220 hours in forming. And you can put it right under your 0.2 times 2,200, 440 in assembly. Okay, then the pro striker, that has 0.15 times 7,000 units. That's 1,050. And 0.25 times 7,000 units is 1,750. So now we've got our total hours. It's 1,270 for the in the forming department and 2,190 in assembly. And we multiply that times our rate per hour, and our rate is, I lost it. Oh, is it $15 an hour? Yeah. $15 an hour here, and then $14 an hour in assembly, and that gives us 19,050 in forming and 30,660 in assembly. So our budget then for direct labor would be the total of those $2. But, well, I don't know. Yeah, as long as you don't keep it by department. But isn't that nice? So that's direct labor.